Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Black screen after launching Minecraft is a common and incredibly frustrating issue whether you are playing Java Edition or Bedrock. It often indicates a problem with graphics drivers, game files, or Java. Here's a comprehensive guide on what to check and how to fix it. So we shall start with the initial checks and quick fixes. Always start here. Just restart your computer. This is the simplest solution and it often works. A fresh boot can clear temporary glitches. Also, you can end Minecraft processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager on your Windows. Now go to the Processes tab. It's already selected here. Just look for anything related to Minecraft, Java, W.X, or Minecraft Launcher. Select them and click on End Task. Try launching Minecraft again. Also, update Windows or Mac OS. Just ensure that your operating system is fully up to date. System updates often include critical driver updates and compatibility fixes. For Windows, just go to Settings by clicking on Windows plus I key on your keyboard. Inside here, go ahead and look for Windows Update and click on it. Just confirm that your Windows is updated. Now also check Minecraft launcher settings. Allocation of RAM is key. If you have allocated too much or too little RAM, it can cause issues. So do this by opening the Minecraft launcher. In here, go to installations, hover over the problematic installation, click the three dots and select edit. Click more options. Now find JVM arguments. The default is often XMX2G, meaning 2 GB of RAM has been allocated. Try changing this to 4G if at all you have 8 GB plus of your RAM, or even try the default if you have changed it. Don't allocate more than half of your system's RAM. Resolution is also key. Sometimes the game tries to launch at a resolution your monitor doesn't support, leading to a black screen. In the edit installation screen right here, just you might see a resolution option. Try setting it to auto or a common resolution like 1920 by 1080. If Minecraft launches in full screen mode and then goes black, pressing Alt plus Enter can sometimes force it into windowed mode, revealing the game. You can then adjust video settings. Graphics drivers is also another way to solve this. This can be the very common cause as well. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a leading cause of black screens in games. So update your graphics drivers. First of all, identify your GPU. To do this, go to your device manager by right clicking on this start button. Just go ahead and click on device manager right here. Now you'll be brought into this window. Just expand the displayed adapters right here. Note down your graphics card. Mine is NVIDIA. You can confirm whether you have AMD Radeon, Intel, Iris, or UHD graphics as well. You can right click right here and then select update. And another way to update it is also to go to their official websites and download the latest drivers. For example, for NVIDIA like mine, open your favorite browser. In here, type in www.nvidia.com/drivers and then just enter. So in here is where you can download the latest drivers. Just perform a clean installation as well. Many driver installers offer a clean installation option. This is recommended as it removes old driver files that might be causing conflicts. Restart PC after installation as well. If updating doesn't help, or if the problem started after a driver update, go back to device manager, again into display adapters, and then just right click your graphics card. From these options, select properties and you'll be brought in here. Just make sure that driver tab is selected. Now rollback driver is key. If available, just try this first. And you can also uninstall device. If rollback isn't an option, select uninstall device. Crucially, if prompted, check the box that says delete the driver software for this device or this confirmation page here. Now you can go ahead and restart your PC. Windows will try to automatically reinstall a generic driver. Then go back to where we were installing the latest official driver as well. Repair or reset Minecraft. This is through the Windows Bedrock version. So for Windows, just open settings as well. Now look for apps and click on it. And then go ahead and click on apps and features. Now from this place, you can search for Minecraft in the list here. Go ahead and click on these three dots or select it and then choose advanced options. Try repair first by clicking on it here. If that doesn't work, go ahead and click on reset. Note that resetting will clear game data, but your worlds for Bedrock Edition are usually signed to your Microsoft account, so don't worry. So other potential issues and solutions is through antivirus or firewall interference. Your antivirus software or Windows Defender firewall might be blocking Minecraft. So temporarily disable your antivirus just for testing, or add Minecraft, that is the java w.x for Java, or the Minecraft executable for Bedrock, to its exceptions or whitelist. This is how to do it. Just search for Windows Defender Firewall right here in the start menu, and go ahead and click on open. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on change settings and then just select on allow another app. Browse to your Minecraft launcher executable and just choose it and add them. Ensure that both private and public networks are checked. Also, game overlays from apps like Discord, Nvidia GeForce Experience, or AMD Adrenaline can sometimes conflict with Minecraft. Try disabling any active overlays before launching Minecraft. Now, when all fails, just reinstall Minecraft. Completely uninstall and just install it. So you can install it via settings right here, still inside apps, and then go ahead and click on apps and features. Just look for Minecraft and just uninstall it and then reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. If you have gone through all these steps and are still facing a black screen, it might indicate a more complex hardware issue or a very specific software conflict. In such cases, providing detailed information about your system, that is OS version, CPU, GPU, RAM, and any other error messages you see to the official Minecraft support or relevant community forums can really help. So just to do that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.